Hello everyone, welcome to the Ultimate Microsoft Excel 2016 course. The course has been organized into various modules with short videos for your easy learning. Here are the modules that we will cover in this course. First we will look at licensing, look at worksheets, rows, columns, cells, look at the menu system, the formula bar, then we'll look at tables, conditional formatting, we'll also look at images and shapes, and we'll also learn to see how we can use templates. Then now we'll look at printing, functions and formulas, data validation, security, and also how to share the Excel documents. And last but not the least, we'll look at charts, we'll look at pivot tables, pivot charts, and also we'll look at the macros, how we use macros in Excel. Well, let's begin the show, okay? Kick back and relax and start learning.